Microsoft Copilot Features to increase your productivity. I'm Hewie Poplock. Let's go from an idea to Word to PowerPoint and create a presentation very quickly and easily using Copilot. First, we go to office.com online. Now, I am a member and an owner of Microsoft 365. I do pay for the subscription. I'm also on the trial of the subscription for Copilot Pro. So I'm using both of those to make this happen. But let's take a look. First, we'll open up Word. We want to describe what we would like Copilot to write. So we're going to type in what are notifications in Windows 10 and 11, and how do you manage them? This is now Copilot within Word. When we click that, it will create a draft of an article telling us how to do that. Now, for time purposes, I am going to assume that everything is correct, as you are going to check and make sure that all of the items that it talks about are correct. You can tell it to keep it. And that's what we're going to do, is keep it. So it is now a Word document. We can make any edits here that we want if we feel it's necessary. The next thing we're going to do is come up to File and Export. These choices do not appear on your desktop version. So I'm going to tell it to export to PowerPoint. Remember, this is going to be real time, folks. So we're going to now choose some kind of a theme. And if we didn't like those, we can see more. Let's do this and export. Now this is real time, and it's done. Now let's open the presentation. And here we go. And let's quickly go through the presentation. I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to show you that it created all of the slides that we need for our presentation. This is PowerPoint. We can do this. Let's take this screen and we, instead of doing this, insert a picture from this device. And we're going to replace it with this, just so we get the right size. We will delete this picture and and there we go. Now we're showing where the notifications go in that PowerPoint. So that's how you create very quickly, very easily, a PowerPoint presentation from an idea, putting it in Word and then bringing it into PowerPoint. Then edit your PowerPoint. Let's write an email using Copilot. This time we're going to go to Outlook Online. We need to sign in. We're going to tell it we want new mail. We want to go to Copilot. Draft with Copilot. What we want to say is the following. I spent the night at the home of Mike and Joyce while in town for a memorial service for a good friend of ours. Write me a great thank you note. And I just click generate. And then we'll tell it to keep it. I just wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for your hospitality during my recent trip. Staying with you, Mike and Joyce, provided me with comfort during a difficult time. Your kindness and warm welcome made all the difference while I was in town for the memorial service of our dear friend. The conversations and moments we shared were truly special, and I will always remember them. Thank you again for opening your home to me. I sign my name, I put the title and to whom, and I send it. Very nice. I got a real nice note. It's difficult for me sometimes to write those kind of things. The third feature I'm going to cover is forms. So we, again, are at office.com, and instead of a document or a presentation, this time we're going to go to a form. And it immediately opens up with the Copilot box, and I am going to create a form for the next Stug Lunch and Learn get-together. The following information is needed: first name, last name, email address. Are you a member or a guest? And please affirm that you understand there's a donation of $5 to cover the cost of food. We're going to tell it to generate that. Just takes a couple of seconds. There's our form. It looks like everything is fine, so I tell it to keep it. There's our form. It is complete and ready to go. We can also style it. So let's go ahead. Oh, we'll do this. Keep it. There's the heading and the information. So that's all there is to creating a form. Just put in what you want, and then you can add a new question. You can add with Copilot. You can then edit the form to whatever way you would like, add more things to it, and then make it available for your users to fill out. Free Microsoft Copilot features to increase your productivity. I'm Hewie Poplock.